If you could change one thing in your career search right now, what would that be? I'm inviting you to have a say by completing my Choose Your Own Career Adventure poll that will help co-create my Career Momentum workshop designed for you. I'll be offering it in person and online, and I'd love to hear what will be most valuable to you to make it impactful. In under 30 seconds, I invite you to share your thoughts and ideas and from options that I've offered here. Do you need help getting unstuck? Or perhaps you'd like to find out your strengths and how to optimize them in your career search. Are you struggling with the golden handcuffs dilemma or feeling challenged to be motivated and confident in your career search? Perhaps you'd like to find out how you can leverage AI and have some creative job search strategies to help you stand out. Or maybe there's something else completely that I haven't covered here. Let me know what that is, and to thank you for your precious time as you complete this poll, I'm offering you my updated Professional Alignment Algorithm, or PAA Prompt Sheet, and the PAA Prompt Sheet has helped hundreds of clients go from vague frustration to focused momentum. It's helped them step into their career search with greater clarity and confidence. My name is Rachel Newton. I'm a career energy coach, and I've helped hundreds of clients choose their own career adventures successfully to find meaningful work. And I want to hear your career needs to make this Career Momentum workshop relevant and valuable for you. So click below and fill out the poll today, and I can't wait to hear from you.